If you love to have makeup-free days on a regular basis and you wonder how to keep your lips naturally pink, today, I have some tips for you. Step 1. Homemade brightening lip scrub. Mix 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Massage your lips with this simple homemade scrub for a minute or two and see your lips brighten up. Step 2. Another lip massaging technique. Try gently massaging your mouth with wet, soft bristle toothbrush every evening. This method can easily and quickly help exfoliate your lips, but remember, don't be harsh, because the skin on your lips is very gentle. Step 3. Beetroot. If you apply beetroot juice at night before going to sleep, in the morning, you will wake up with gorgeous, pink lips and the color can last the whole day, until you decide to wash it away. Step 4. Carrot juice. Carrot juice works similar way as beetroot juice. Just soak a cotton pad in carrot juice and apply it on your lips. This rich in vitamins juice will add color and nourish your lips. Step 5. Pomegranate. Crush pomegranate seeds, apply the juice on your lips and see them become redder, brighter and fuller. Step 6. Roses. Grind up some rose petals in a bowl until you see the juice and apply this paste on your lips. Care for your lips, making them look brighter, healthier and, of course, pinker. Step 7. A slice of cucumber. Rub a cucumber slice on your lips daily for a couple of minutes and see your lips brighten. Cucumber will help nourish your lips, lighten their color and make them look more pink naturally. Step 8. Orange. Orange peel can be very helpful in treating dull and dark-looking lips. Just rub it on your lips for a minute or two and see your lips brighten up and blush. What are your favorite ways to keep your lips naturally pink? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below.